Okay, Mama. Let's see your bag. Let's see your bag, Mama.
Oh, ang ganda pala.
Maganda?
Oo.
Let's see your bag. Okay, wear it. Wear it. Wear your bag.
Ganda pala. Yeah, how much it costs?
How much? How much?
Yeah, it's
How many pesos?
$100, 120.
You like it? You like it?
Yeah, very much.
Tagal natin binili yan.
Yeah, 120.
Ilang oras? Ilang oras natin binili yan?
Maybe,
Umabot yata tayong 2 oras dyan eh.
Yeah, see, for a bag alone. Yeah, I like it.
Ay, Dios míos!
Matukang kita yan.
Diyos ko, day!
Diyos ko na yan, ganda pala ng bag na
Oh my God!
Oh, see? It's
Dahil dyan, because of that, 2 hours.
for bag alone.